When you open up the Dante Lab Reader, it should look something like this. 4 panels. Over here is the Italian version of the poem, which you can scroll up and down. And over here is our translation by Longfellow, which you can also scroll up and down. Now on these bottom 2 panels, these are the commentaries that are going to tell you, for example, what's going on in line 1. Now this is pretty long. Most of them are just a couple of lines because this is the beginning of the poem. This is going to be longer. Let's go to our canto, Canto 11. You see how I pulled this drop down here? And all of them will be automatically linked together. So we see these can be much shorter. Now notice that these are both the Hollander commentaries. I want one of these to be the Longfellow commentary. So you'll have to scroll all the way down until you find Henry Wadsworth Longfellow right here and click on that. Now I like to use both of these commentaries because this one tells us a lot about the meaning of the Italian words, and Longfellow over here gives us a lot of the context and the classical references. For example, from the Ethics of Aristotle, you can get these quotations that Dante is using. So this is how you should use it. You've got your poem here, and as you read along you can change your canto to whatever assignment you have for the evening. And when you come to line 72 in your reading, and who encounter with such bitter tongues, and you go down here and you find if there's a commentary on line 72, it will tell you what he means. And you can use either commentary for this. So here it says 67 through 75, so 72 is within this passage. You can read the whole section. And hopefully this is a useful tool that's going to help you be able to understand and keep track of the references as we do our nightly reading.